Hi guys, welcome back to Valerine's Home and Gardens. I am so happy with this project that I completed not too long ago, and I am editing the video so I can upload it for you guys to try. Now it's just an idea, right, for your Christmas decorations. So you can make the changes you want to make, the modifications to suit your decor and your style. But I am over the moon about it. Check it out. And it didn't cost a fortune. These I made with cones, and I actually will be uploading a video also that tells you how to quickly and easily make the cones for the projects. Look out for it, guys. Actually, the video for this project will be available tomorrow morning by 9 a.m. So please check it out, guys. See you then. Like, share, subscribe, and comment.